Welcome back to Outdoor Power Tech, everybody. I've gotten the Clinton engine done and it's ready to start. I haven't put no gas in it yet, so this is all going to be in front of y'all. If we have any gas leaks that have to be fixed, and then have to tune the carburetor. That is if the carburetor will even work. As old as it was, there was a bunch of buildup on it and the jets were ate a little bit. But yeah, got everything done. The only problem that I'm seeing with this, and it's not something I've done, I'll see if y'all can see right now. You see the gas tank where the gas comes out at the bottom? You see that's lowered in the carburetor? So the gas tank's going to have to be filled at least halfway to 3/4, at least halfway, to get gas going to the carburetor. Let's go over here. Don't want to make y'all sit. Okay, so here is the C700. And you see the updraft carburetor on here, the way it is. I call it updraft carburetor. It's just this one's just a different style carburetor. Then it comes up through the manifold. This is a regular carburetor, but it comes up and then it has a manifold that comes up to here, I do believe. Yes, I can see it on the picture. Okay, let's go to. Okay, yeah, here we go. Okay, you see the manifold right here? You see how this is your carburetor, and the manifold goes up and then into the block, putting this down lower than the gas tank. Okay, let's go to the D700. Okay, here's the D700. You see the carburetor that's on it? Evidently somebody put a D700 carburetor on here, and left the old gas tank on there, because you see how much smaller that gas tank is, which is raising it up in the air a whole lot instead of being deep like mine. Okay, all right. Either way, we got a 1954 model Clinton engine, and bare bones, the inside, all of it is a C700. And the gas tank just, I think just the carburetor is what's different on it. So let's get you over here and we'll put gas in it and we'll see if it's gonna crank up. Okay. And the gas tank is beautiful inside, guys. It cleaned up really, really good. It's about, I mean, it's silver. All right, let's get our gas funnel. Let's cut the gas off, just in case we have a leak. I don't want no gas leaking all over my newly painted engine. Because for some reason this gas can leaks sometimes. Let me see how much gas I got in there real quick. I'll probably put a little bit more in. Oh, I don't want that to eat up the paint. This whole gas jug that I'm using, it only does that when it's filled all the way up to the top. I've got to figure out what I need to do to get that fixed, but anyways. That should be plenty enough. Put our gas cap back on. I have not done nothing on this adjustment wise. Let me get a screwdriver. Y'all still recording? All right, let's turn the gas on. I hope we don't have no leaks. I want to move this carburetor. Let me get a pull string. Let's see if we can test to see if it has gas in it with the little plunger down here. Oh, we got gas in it. My plunger's working. I can't believe that worked. Okay. Now, how am I gonna cut this off? I can just jerk that cord off. If it does crank. Okay, let's see here. Choke on. It fired. Oh, I doubt it's gonna run right now though. We're gonna have to do some adjustments probably. And I might have that governor set wrong on it. I do. I have the governor set wrong. Let me get that governor set right and I'll be right back with y'all. What have I done? I did pull the float bowl back off because it was leaking where the little valve was to drain the bowl. So what I did is I did away with that and just soldered it up. So at any point in time I can heat that up and pull the solder off and put the original valve back in there. Put a spring on the governor back here. Didn't have a spring on that. Of course it didn't have one on it when it came in. But I looked up some diagrams and it said that it needed it on there. Okay, I'm gonna turn the gas on. Might have to open the door up. open the door up. Well, there you have it, guys. We've successfully done a full restoration on this engine. We could do a lot more. I could probably pull that carburetor off again and clean it, try to run it through my ultrasonic cleaner again and get some of those other jets cleaned up because they were corroded really, really bad. But she looks good. I gotta get my decals for it. It's gonna be for show anyways, but she runs. Y'all all see it runs. She doesn't smoke one bit. It's got really great compression. I hadn't even looked to see if they have aftermarket carbs for this, but I built this for show, just for display in my shop, and it has Clinton written on the carburetor. But yep, I hope you enjoyed this series. And the other Clinton engine we rebuilt a while back ran really, really good. This one runs good. It just has some carburetor issues. But I hope you enjoyed this series. And I thank y'all for watching. Until next time.